So we are out in the Southeast Valley today in Queen Creek, Arizona. Now Queen Creek is just south of Mesa and just east of Gilbert and Chandler. Queen Creek is home to about 50,000 residents and it's a family-friendly community. Now today we're gonna take a walking tour of Queen Creek. We're gonna talk about some of the local attractions, we're gonna talk about the shopping, and then of course we're gonna talk a little bit about the housing. We're gonna jump right into this topic right now. Well, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Phoenix, then tap that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. That way you could be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Hi guys, my name is Mark Melendez. I'm a real estate professional here in Phoenix and I cover some of the most amazing communities of the Phoenix area. And if you're thinking about making a move to the Phoenix area, then let's chat. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call with me. All of my information is in the description below. Well, just like I said, we're gonna take a tour of Queen Creek. Let's jump right into it. So, okay, I'm at the Founders Park here in Queen Creek, which is located like right in the town center area. And as you can see right behind me, there's a splash pad right here. There's some ball fields here as well in the park. There's a skate park just right over here. And then of course there's playgrounds for the children to enjoy. So here they'll host some of the events that the town usually puts on. If you're visiting the Queen Creek area, this is definitely a park that you should visit. Another amazing place to visit out in the Queen Creek area is the Schnepf Farms. Now here at the Schnepf Farms, you can pick locally grown peaches when they're in season. They also host amazing holiday events as well and other events throughout the year. Now here at the Schnepf Farms, they also love it when you bring your children out here. There's plenty for the kids to do. There's tractor rides, there's playgrounds. This is a working farm as well, and they can learn all about farming here in the Arizona area. Great place to visit, so whenever you're in the Queen Creek area, make sure that you visit Schnepf Farms. Okay, so there's no question that Queen Creek has a rich agricultural history, and that is shown right here in the Queen Creek Olive Mill, where I'm currently at right now. Now what you're seeing over here to the side of me are rows and rows of olive trees. These are smaller trees that are just getting established that will have some fruit production here in the future, but there's so many mature olive trees already on this property alone, and this is a place where they produce their own olive oil. There's also a restaurant here attached to that where you can come and enjoy some of the lunch, dinners, brunches sometimes. They host events here. There's just a great ambiance and vibe here at the Queen Creek Olive Mill. Also, they host an event called Olive Oil 101 where you can basically learn the basics of olive oil and then also taste some of the olive oil itself. They'll show you exactly how the pros do it, how they taste it. This is a good place to check out if you're coming to the Queen Creek area. Queen Creek Olive Mill, make sure you check it out. Okay, so we have some really good schools in the Queen Creek area. Most of those are going to be brought to you by Queen Creek Unified School District. I'm currently standing in the Queen Creek High School parking lot. This is an amazing school. You can check it out on niche.com. But in Queen Creek, you also have some amazing schools like Queen Creek Elementary, Jack Barnes Elementary. There's so many more options. Go on niche.com, one of my favorite places to do research on schools. You can learn pretty much everything you need to know about the schools on niche.com. Check it out. But in Queen Creek, you really have some good school options. Okay, so let's talk about the shopping options that you have available to you here in the Queen Creek area. So I'm currently at the Queen Creek Marketplace, and in this marketplace, they have a Target, they have a Ross, they have a TJ Maxx, Bed Bath Beyond, they have a Kohl's. They have so many different shopping options for you just alone in this shopping center as well. And then as far as food options are concerned, there's an abundance of food options. All of the national chains are here. There's an Olive Garden. There is a Buffalo Wild Wings. There's a Chipotle. I know people love Chipotle. We've got coffee. We've got Starbucks. I mean, they have pretty much everything that you're possibly going to need here. There's also banks like Chase Bank here as well. Everything that you're gonna need is gonna be right here in this center, right over here. And then right across this road right here is gonna take you to another shopping center. And in that shopping center, you're gonna find a Walmart Supercenter. And then you're also gonna find some of the other shopping options that you're gonna find, you know, pretty much nationally as well. And then there's also a Costco in the works, which is pretty much going to be wrapping up here very, very soon. So Costco is going to be available to you here in the Queen Creek area as well. And as far as your groceries, there is a Sprouts Farmers Market, there's a Trader Joe's, and then there's also going to be Fry's Marketplace and Safeways as well nearby. So pretty much everything is covered right here in this general vicinity, which is going to be right along Ellsworth Road and Rittenhouse Road. So this is kind of like right in the heart of the Queen Creek area. All of your essentials are going to be covered right here in this area. Okay, so Queen Creek is a family-friendly suburb here in the Southeast Valley, and they have some amazing communities all over. They have master plan communities like in Pantera, which I'm at right now, which is a golf community here, which is gated. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. They also have amazing family-friendly communities like Ironwood Crossings. There's so many different communities. Just to kind of single out one is just kind of almost impossible to do. But you could typically find a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home right around $350,000, and it goes up from there. So right around $450,000 is really the sweet spot to find homes here in the Queen Creek area, and they go up from there. There's all kinds of different types of property. There's equestrian type of properties. If you're a horse lover, you can definitely find some options there. If you're somebody that just loves and enjoys huge farm lots, there's something there for you as well. And if you're someone that loves luxury homes, there's luxury homes here starting right around $1 million. So there is plenty here in the Queen Creek area. So if you're looking for somewhere in the Southeast Valley, in the Phoenix metropolitan area, definitely consider Queen Creek. Well, guys, I hope you liked this tour. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you can be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Guys, just like always, I truly appreciate your time, and I hope you all have an amazing day.